Education is truly transforming, and one of the biggest subjects right now is coding in the classroom. And that's why Mr.SmetanA wants to bring coding to his classroom, but not just any classroom. He wants to completely transform his art room into an art design studio where students can use innovation and coding and design to really innovate and transform learning. The only thing that's stopping him right now is budget. So Mr.SmetanA is turning to Donors Choose. What's Donors Choose, you may ask? Donors Choose is where anybody like you or me can donate a little or a lot of money to one classroom to help them gain the funds to transform their classroom. And with Donors Choose, Mr.SmetanA's classroom will be able to purchase items such as drones and spheros to transform their art room to a full STEAM learning area, allowing students to unleash their creativity and become innovators of tomorrow. So let's help Mr.SmetanA's class get their funding so they can transform their art room into a full STEAM classroom. And when you donate, if you use the word SPARK, they will match your donation. By matching the donation, Mr.SmetanA's classroom will be able to get their funding a lot quicker to truly transform their classroom. Because when students can transform a classroom, they can truly learn.